We are pleased to show you the 2022 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel, audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, compass, floor mats. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.